Okay, I want to add some charcoal up here on his forehead. We'll just get his hair in again. I've got a couple of bits coming through there. And we've got that. Coming like that. Right, just give me an idea of where his hairline is in that corner, and I can see his lightness coming through there, and then you've got the depth. Depth coming from here. Coming out. It's coming like this. That's his hairline. Okay, so just go over that with a stump. And then we'll add a bit of texture to his skin here, because this is looking very smooth compared to the rest of his face, and in reality it would be, let's get his hair in. And his hair is starting just literally after that light spot. And we'll measure this again. We'll measure this and make sure that I've got that just right. This is curly. I'll just get some texture in here. And it's curling up. Got a little bit of shadow. Got in there already. That's a bit longer. A bit deeper, coming down. about right there. Okay. Now blend it over. Just blend it across, get some more on the paper, a little bit on there, it's not white. It's a lot lighter, but it's not white. I've got a little circle that's appeared there with nothing on it, so we'll just touch a bit in there. That's just in the paper, just the texture of the paper. And the next stage is to take our picture off and have a look. Have a look and see how it looks with the others, his wife and the baby. So let's get this off and check it out. Yeah, he looks too dark, doesn't he? I'll just show you that. So there he is. You can see that he's actually looking quite a bit darker than the mum. This is the photo, and what I've done is I've copied this darker part and kept taking it up there. Darkened this up a bit also. His forehead is about the same as hers on the photo, and see what I've done. I've taken a lot more charcoal off hers because it's just a softer look. So I'm just going to go over with my charcoal side of the chamois, get a clean bit, go over the lightest bits first. Cool, takes loads off, look. Even though I pressed it in, takes absolutely loads off. Do something with that bit there. This doesn't look so great, does it there? He can look a little bit darker than her, the mum. but obviously the baby's got to look palest because she's a new baby, and she looks pretty, doesn't look particularly dark skinned, so right, let's just clean that off a bit. Let's do this other side here with the chamois, very lightly. Although it takes loads off, you're still left with all the work you've done. You know, all the getting the shading in the right place, and it's still all there. If you can leave all the darkest bits, then you can do. I'm not pressing hard, I'm just rubbing it over. There. I think that's going to be okay. I won't take any more off, I don't think. Just, maybe just there. Just leave it at that, I think, and have a look at it tomorrow. In the meantime, I can do his ear.